Hi there, it's Thomas again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up integration with Loox and Joy. Loox is a great product review app, especially with photo review. So it's a great way that you can set up an incentive or reward for customers to leave a photo review that help you to build your trust and enrich your user-generated content. So let's get our hands on it and try to set up integration. Alright, first you need to set up a write review program, and in your reward program page you go to write review and you're going to choose Loox as your review app. So this integration will happen mostly on Shopify Flow, so make sure that you go to integration, Shopify Flow, and you turn on the Shopify Flow integration over here. This will allow Joy to detect that you are having a Shopify Flow integration, and we can send the data to Shopify Flow. Alright, next up you go to Shopify Flow app, you go for browse template because we already have a ready to use template for this use case. So you go for Joy and you browse this template. So this template we do is it will listen for a new review, and it will check if the review have a photo or not, is a 4-star or 5-star review or not, and we'll reward them based on that information. So if the review have a photo with it, so we're going to reward them with 200 points, or we reward them with 100 points. But this depends on how you want it. You can change whatever you want, but we're going to turn on that workflow and test it out on the storefront. So we're going to go back and we're going to test it on the storefront. Here I have all the Loox widgets set up, so I'm now going to leave a review on for this product. So I'm going to give it a 5-star. I'm going to upload a review with a photo, and here we go. And this is good. And next, so I'm going to give it Thomas G, and I'm going to type in my email. So make sure that on the Joy side, if you are in sandbox mode, use testing feature. So just to make sure that we have to have our emails of the review within the whitelist. So make sure that we do not let the program launch before the actual date. So on this product page, let's just leave the review and test it out. I'm going to click on write review. I'm going to leave it 5-star. I'm going to upload the photo, and next, love it, and next, first name Thomas G, and I'm going to type in an email. Before we actually submit, make sure that you're testing it out with Joy. Make sure that you are in sandbox mode or you are live mode, but if you're sandbox mode, make sure that you have a review email in the whitelist. Alright, so you should make sure that this works properly with the sandbox mode. So I'm going to click on done and close it. Go back to this. I can see the edit now. Probably I should go for the list. I can see that we have the run, recent run, and we have this run just now, and it's complete. So back to the Joy app. You load it, you can see that we have 200 points for leaving a review with photo from the Flow integration. And there are also a few things you can do to improve. You can go back to the Shopify Flow, and you can see that you can improve the text over here with like reward for leaving photo review for, and you're going to add in the product title if you want to, so you can enrich the data show in Joy. And so in here you can ask for, like, maybe I want to check if the review body like contains a word or not, and or maybe you can do like you can ask for looks if you want to update, like should I have like body count, the review body count. So if you can do that, and maybe you can just have a feature request to Loox so they can do it. So okay, I want my review to have at least like 500 words, if it's more than 100 words, etc. I can give more like a better reward. So it depends on you how you want the Loox integration to look like. You can request Loox team, or you can talk to our team. Maybe you can find ways to connect with Loox and see how we can go with it and improve the integration with for Joy and Loox. Okay, so thank you a lot for your time, and I hope that you can set up this integration nicely and get a lot of reviews. Okay, have a great day.